Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to transform your picture on the printer applications, such as rotating it, flipping it, or changing its size and its frame. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the printer icon down below, which is the first option. Then click on the photos icon, which is in the second column. Select a picture, tap on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you should tap on the edit button down below in the right side corner and click on photo editor. Then tap on the transform button, which is the first one down below. Here, as you can see, in the middle there is this scales, meaning that you can rotate it into any directions with the help of this rotate button in the right side of the screen as well. And you can flip it horizontally and vertically as well. You can tap on this custom button, the square button, and here you have other sizes that you can choose from. If you want to reset it to the original form, click on the reset button down below. Thereby you are going to get the original copy of your picture. After your changes, click on the check mark button down below and click on the save button. Then you will be able to print it out if you want to. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.